Welcome to the demo of Easy A. I'm Nisha and I'll quickly demo our project. Currently, the education industry faces a big challenge of LLMs completing assignments rather than the students. But instead of resisting it, it is time to adopt LLMs to help students learn from their concepts. Our agenda is to not let students memorize the answers, but to let them deduce it. Our application has two portals. Let's first look at the students portal. This is a quick dashboard and these are the assignments the student is assigned to. Now let's look at one of the assignments and these are all the questionnaires. Now for one of the question, let's say what was the civil rights movement? I would love to answer this, but I'm forgetting a detail which is not exactly the question, but a detail which will help to write me answer the question. So let's say I ask, when did the civil rights movement happen? Let it think for some time. "1950s and 1960s. Now I can write my answer better. I have one more question, so I'll clarify that. Who gave the speech I Have a Dream? Martin Luther King Jr. Now let's see how exactly this happens. Where do we get these answers from? For that, we need to look at the teachers portal. And in teachers portal, first, teachers can upload any notes they would like. So give a title, give a subject, choose a doc, text or PDF file, and they can upload a note. What happens to their notes is they are sent to a Neo4j database where we create a notes node. For each notes node, we also create a concept, which is the umbrella, and which contains a RAG node. RAG node has the embedding and the text chunk. This is what is used to answer any questions when a student asks for a clarification. Now, let's say there is one more thing that the teacher wants to do is to generate assignment. So we can create by selecting multiple nodes or at least one of them and just say generate assignment. Again, the LLM is given all the text chunks that are associated with the nodes that we have selected. Currently, we have selected one node, so it will look for one of the nodes, look for the node that is needed, go through all the RAG nodes, and create a questionnaire from it. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. There you go. Now the teacher can now add an assignment title, can even edit the questions, add scores to it, delete it, add a custom question, and then finally publish the assignment. So as you see, what we are trying to do is not let students be lazy, but have fun with it. They don't need to memorize things, but they can deduce things, which will make them learn faster. That is it from us today. Thank you for being here and have a good day.